we're gonna be staying here. So creamy. Alright! Nababaw kabalin ko, musta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, guys, we are really excited because nandito tayo ngayon sa Midori and we were invited to experience their food today.
Yeah.
Yeah, so samahan niyo po kami. We're gonna be, giving some tour of the place. Of course, we're gonna taste the food itself. We're gonna share with you our experience. But today, super duper, I'm really excited.
So tara, let's go!
Wow, ma'am. So we're gonna be staying here, VIP 02, room 02. So again, guys, once in a while, ayun si Jana. So once in a while, you gotta be treated VIP. So where do you get that? Madalang lang, guys. So thank you so much po, Ma'am Jelly. And this is our table. Tingnan natin. Okay, so guys, we're gonna give a rundown of this food for now, and then later on, syempre, titigman natin. So, since nandito na rin si Ma'am Jelly, actually, we asked her help para ma-introduce natin properly yung mga pagkain dito. Kasi kita nyo naman, guys, sobrang dami po ng pinipare nila para sa amin, and we are really grateful for that, no? Okay, so let's start, Ma'am Jelly. First off, so starting off from our bread, so these are?
Banana nut loaf bread.
We also have, of course, who doesn't recognize this, no? Pambansang merienda.
Piña ensaymada. Red bean bun.
Red bean bun. Okay, they also have French bread, guys.
French baguette. Coffee Mexico. Cinnamon bun. Our taro loaf bread.
This one is
For
your?
this one, chocolate loaf bread. This one is new. It's taro cheesecake.
Look at that, guys. This is so elegant.
Napaka-rare lang po.
Actually, yeah, it's so elegant. And then this is your?
Chocolate cake. And this is the hoagie. French bread din pero half lang kasi.
Now, this is the interesting part. This is your?
Midori sandwich.
Comes with your garden salad, tama po ba? This is your?
Deep fried dumpling. This
Your?
one is Peking Duck, cooked to it. Roast, and this one,
Stir fried, okay. Some other Asian cuisine, guys, like nasi goreng.
Asian food.
Indonesian. So you will recognize that, guys. If you are with us, sobrang bango po ng mga pagkain
Yes.
dito. So it's really inviting, but let's continue. This is your?
Our seafood laksa soup.
Seafood laksa.
Laksa
And then meron din
soup.
tayong
We
some
have the Cantonese dim sum.
Cantonese dim sum, okay.
This one is the hakao, pumpkin sweet bowl.
For dessert later on, guys, we're gonna, of course, taste this. And then for their refreshment, of course, you have
Of
your
course, we have our new Italian soda,
Uh-huh.
which is, the other one is green apple.
green apple, and then the other one is strawberry for the soda. This is actually interesting, no? Earlier we were able to pick what's inside, but let me introduce them again to you. Check this out. This is really,
Hot pot roasted chicken. These are the condiments.
of course, you won't forget buchi. Again, guys, this is, as a disclaimer, the current setup po ni Midori is they do serve this as for takeout. So this is not their usual dining setup. Join us. Thank you, Ma'am Jelly.
You're welcome po.
So next picture, upo na tayo doon. Alright, so actually nakaupo na si Jan. Wait, let me get my seat. Right, so fun part of the vlog is actually taste testing it, of course.
These are new menus from the pandemic. Nagbago po sila lahat. So for sure, it will be a new taste for you.
New taste for us. But first off, I wanna taste yung kanilang laksa. So this is my favorite noodle soup.
Actually, na-surprise ako dun sa Peking Duck nila. Kasi they cook it two-way. Pwede mo siyang tikman roasted or stir-fried.
Stir-fried.
So at the same time, meron silang mga kasamang condiments.
Condiments. So,
dito.
entire ingredients. So, you have, meron tayong carbohydrates for the pita. You have the freshness nung vegetables natin. And of course,
Protein from the meat.
actually, a lot of dishes, talagang magpapasarap dyan yung ano.
Actually.
Hindi. So, syempre, hindi tayo papawali. We're gonna try it as well. Different option to enjoy yung kanilang roasted duck.
Yeah.
No? This is a different way to eat it. Let's taste it. Oh yeah.
Para siyang
Sauce is really good.
Mm.
Sauce is really good. Huh?
sarap nung duck nila.
Uh-huh.
Yung Midori sandwich nila, naka-wrap yung sandwich mismo dun sa bacon. So, at the same time, meron din siya mga crisp cut fries. Para sa mga chips. Tingnan natin. Actually, ang lasa ng mga food nila, di ba? Kumuha ko ng part nung Midori sandwich nila. So, let me show it to you. Angus beef wrapped in bacon. So talagang meaty siya. May egg din pala siya sa gitna.
Kumusta? Malambot, tender?
Malambot, malasa, fully loaded.
Okay, another dish that interests me. This is their pumpkin sweet ball. So at the end of the every meal you gotta have some dessert. Might as well tingnan na natin. Hot. We were served with two different kinds of cakes, yung pinakita natin earlier. So the first one is
It's yung taro cheesecake.
the taro cheesecake,
So
which
basically meron siyang
Yeah.
sponge bread.
yeah,
Tapos layer niya na taro and cheesecake.
the cheesecake, and then the other one is
Chocolate mousse cake.
chocolate mousse cake. So and then kanina tinikman natin pistachio, chocolate dome, no. You have several layers of some sweets, and then in the middle meron tayong parang raspberry cream. Let's taste it. Oh wow.
Nandun yung asim niya.
Yeah, di ba?
Yung blueberry niya.
Mhm.
Wow. At the same time, kakaiba kasi taro siya.
Wow. But guys, so I've tasted the two desserts. If you are to ask me kung ano yung orderin yung dessert dito, I think I'll go for this one. I think I'm gonna go for the chocolate cake. So once again guys, we would like to thank you for being with us. We really appreciate your time watching this vlog or being with us. And also we would like to thank Midori for inviting us. So we've been really craving for this kind of food. So if you want to know more, make sure to check out their fan page or the link we're gonna be providing dun sa caption natin. There you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until then, please guys, stay safe, stay at home, and see you in the next video.
Peace
out.
out.
God bless.